How we doing, chat? How we doing? We got 1 minute till the open. We'll say our hellos after. We're right back to that low area, so it's gonna be interesting to see. Made $200 overnight. Ten seconds. See if we continue. Come on. Come on, baby. There we go. Did not copy trade. Cool. Cool. Not gonna get mad this time. That's my fault. Oh gosh. It's all right. Not gonna get mad. We're just gonna copy trade the micros. That's all. Only like the Bullnox accounts that really matter. I don't know why I turned off the copy trader. I guess yesterday I did. Oh well. Bummer, but. So we got that 410 in play today. So good morning, everyone. Let's say hello to the chat. We got Dean. The first one. We got El Paso, Trader NQ, Austin, Poppy, Todd, Marco, Black Coffee Trader, Ben. I don't know how you say your name. Sidious? I don't know. Cohen, Luciano, Bill, Katz, West Coast. Joey's back in New Jersey from his trip to Aruba. Very nice. Clementine, Denise, Joey, Winner Trading, our winner of the giveaway yesterday, and Sean. Good morning, guys. We'll be doing a giveaway, so start hitting those likes if you want to get the giveaway before the end of the stream. We got to get to 100 likes. Good morning, Mark. So today's plan is to do the same thing I did yesterday, trade micros. ORB was good, forgot to copy trade. I'm just very nervous about this area being broken, because if this area breaks, being long is not the play probably, but right now it looks like the longs are still playable. So the goal is to buy support levels and just scalp. Well, I must say that was a pretty bad miss on my end with not copying. Because those are the trader Bullnox accounts I needed to trade today. How do you say your name? Let me see. How to pronounce serious as per. Bursitis. Oh, easy. How did I not realize that? Bursitis. Bursitis. Okay. We got it, chat. Did our homework. I know it's not a name. Most people don't use their name. Wow, that was a good long here of 520. Definitely missed out on that. Let's see what they do here, though. Let's see what they do. I'm gonna watch the 1 minute for now. We'll get to 200 second a little bit later. Initially, I like the 1 minute because I get to see the candles more. Then that 520 long would have been nice. I gotta make a recap today. The recaps have been doing really well. We gained a lot of subscribers. So definitely gotta make a recap today of the week. And keep posting recaps. So I think that's what I was afraid of. Are they gonna just dump it now? Maybe. Like I want a long, but again, that I mean, it's still far away from that though. Still far away from 408. We have to go straight down there to be. But it is Friday. They like to play games on Fridays. Let's start one there. Not gonna look for a big target on that. So we could get like 60 bucks here. Boom. All right. Off to a good start. I should just copy all my accounts at this point, but good morning, Roy. Monday, guys, no stream Monday, okay? I'm flying out to get the car. Well, to look at the car, make sure everything's good, and then give them the check. And they'll ship the car to New Jersey, so. Yeah, I just see a lot of weakness still. I mean, we could rebound here like we did yesterday a bunch of times, but it looks pretty heavy. Take one more stab at it. Kind of playing the same range that we did yesterday. Did really well on that early on. Seeing that holds. If it doesn't, then we get a pop here for like 540s. I'll just set a stop break even. Yeah, it's weak. All right. I'm gonna take a break even on this. Maybe it'll go up, but if it gives me another chance to get out break even, I will. My phone's blowing up. What the hell's going on? I guess trying to wick, but it's not holding. The bops are definitely struggling. Again, we just got to be very careful with this because this is looking very bearish. It's almost too obvious, right? So it's like, so we could get this add and then pop. Weak, very weak. Be very careful, guys. Long is just not it right now. I'll try to salvage this the best I can. Might not even look to make profit here. Because once we get down to 420, then that 410 area comes in play, and then it becomes very scary. Unless it bounces off of it. I mean, let me get out of one contract, please. All right, I'm going to switch to 200. candles are just so jumpy right now. Just makes things worse. Your time just slows down and it's easier. Okay. Should be able to get one out. We'll just take that, you know, like just to play it safe. That was pretty much break even, but didn't quite go, and this could just yank back. So I'd rather have just one contract for now. We have news. Okay. Hopefully we get a pop then. Let's see. No, it's very weak. I mean, it's hard to participate short, but if I could get out of this, I am gonna flip short. I'm gonna flip short. There's zero sign of buyers right now. I mean, 4-hour chart looks so weak. Well, that news was a non-event. Yep, we're going for the all-day fade. Today might be all-day fade. Hopefully we could get out and then flip short. The only thing is, like, if I flip short and we're not gonna get pops, it's not gonna be an easy day. We need pops to be able to make money. Oh yeah, this is gonna melt. If it breaks 410, we're going down. Okay, I got 2 wicks here. Let's see if we can get a small pop just to get out. I'll take anything over 500 at this point. ES is popping. Yeah, ES is popping a little bit. Yeah, ES is completely opposite. ES is at the high of the open. That's crazy. What just happened? I opened a new chart and my QUANTOWER froze. Oh man, I'm stuck here. I am stuck. But yeah, ES is popping, so hopefully we get a small pop before we melt completely. ES is at the high of day. Like ES is right here. Pretty interesting. Okay, anything over 500 I'll just be happy with. Oh, I didn't take it off. I need to just press the buttons, guys. I can't be looking at a couple dollars here and there. I just gotta press the button. Just gotta hit the flatten button and call it, you know. I mean, I'm literally gonna risk this going back down for $2. Crazy. That was my chance. I fucked up. Fuck. That was my fault. Wasn't quick enough to exit. And ES is all the way back down. Oh, oh, this is a crash, market crash coming in, boys. Hopefully these lows hold. Come on, give us a quick pop, quick pop. Oh, this is gonna be so bad. Oh man, we are screwed. All right, do I flip short? Not getting out of this alive today. Fuck. All right, last chance. 380. What a Friday to ruin the perfect week. Ah, I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid for not getting out right there. I had a chance. That's how quick you have to decide on things. All right. Well, this time it's over. This time we're not gonna survive. Is a market crash coming in? Ah, ruined it. Damn. The ball knocks accounts will be fine, but I am just not on. You'll see in a second. I'm only down $400. It's not the end of the world. Wow. We are witnessing a market crash in live. Oh, all because I didn't press the damn button. Holy shit, I didn't press the button at the right time. Wow. Wow, how do I fuck this up so bad? I mean, I said anything over 500, I got 510 and I didn't fucking... I literally just moved the order and it got missed by a tick. Like what am I doing? Like, why not just hit the flatten button? Well, now we're gonna blow the account if it pops for sure, but I'm gonna try to short on the pop, and I'm not gonna use a stop because I don't know how far it's gonna bounce. I don't have much drawdown left because I was up a lot. I probably have $700 in drawdown left. Unbelievable. How do you fuck that up so bad? I knew it. I was saying I was saying it the whole time and I still didn't. Oh man. Of course the day I copy trade more accounts, this is what happens. Again, I forgot to copy trade with ORB, so I screwed myself there. So the bull and ox accounts, we are risking a payout. You know, it's like what are you doing? Like, it's such an easy day with the ORB, and I don't copy trade, and now I'm risking a $1,500 payout because of that. It's so frustrating that I keep doing this over and over again. Like, you know, it's like $1,500 is a lot now. Oh man, market's fucked. Market is fucked. Today's gonna be all day trend down. Seen Fridays like that before, and I'm gonna stick to it. I'm believing it's gonna be an all day fade. I'm not changing my mind. I gotta start one. If I don't start one, it's gonna keep going without me. So I might as well start one and just make this more interesting. What a frustrating start. All because I didn't take that off, guys. That's all it is right there. I didn't take it off right there. I said it. Once I was down here, anything over 500, I'm taking it. And I was just too slow. And it yanked so fast. I mean, if you look on ES, I mean, look what happened on ES. I mean, we were right here when I was saying that. And then all of a sudden, this was within a second. As if some news dropped. And now it's the bottom now. Now it's the bottom, so we're gonna have to add into pops, of course. Yeah, of course. It's can't make that up. When you're trading frustrated, it doesn't work. It just does not work. Oh man, what an annoying day. All right, what's holding it at 320 now? Like, why are we stuck here? Like, look at that. Like, what's holding it here? We broke the main support. Like, why is it not melting now when I'm short? Why is it stuck? I needed it to pop though. I need it to pop, otherwise it will be hard to get size on. I need like 3 contracts to be able to make this loss back. Of course, we get a nice bounce now. Didn't get filled, so I gotta add lower. There's home sales, I guess. I would have survived. I would have added 320, we would have survived. Wow. Yep. I'm an idiot. Today I am trading very bad. See, I cut it and now it's worse for cutting it. No, I want to be short now. It's not out of spite. I just want to be short now because I believe it's going to go down. And Raider, can you just leave? You have nothing ever positive to say. Just leave, please. Just click flatten. Yeah, I got to do that when I'm feeling like here. I moved the order. It was so stupid, but this happened so fast. I mean, this was instant. I'm not gonna battle back. This would have to tank. Like, if this tanks, I will. But if it's like going sideways, there I won't, because I'm gonna be holding too long. I have not a lot of drawdown left. That's the problem, because I was up. I still have trailing drawdown on my TPT account. But if this tanks, let's say another 100 points right now, then we'll make some of it back. The problem with trending days, Tyler, is there's not a lot of opportunities. So I'm afraid that it's going to be a trending day. Like, we're finally getting that bounce. But like here, we couldn't. I mean, I'm mad I didn't take out this right here. Hopefully I can make 200 bucks here. Fridays are always dangerous. I have nothing to lose. Like, you guys are always saying like dangerous, whatever. Like, there's not a single thing on the line. Unless I would blow the Bullnox accounts, which I'm not going to, but There's not a single thing. No payout, not even close to a payout. No buffer. Like, there's nothing on the line. So it's not dangerous. You know, there's nothing on the line. It's... You guys have to step in and not be afraid to trade with prop firms. It's literally nothing on the line and a lot to gain. Unless the accounts have a lot of buffer, then it's a different ballgame. But that's why you choose wisely which accounts you trade. It's not a dangerous thing. If you read the market correctly, I mean, if you went short today, what's so dangerous about that? What is so dangerous about going short today? You know, if you think about it logically, right? You say it's dangerous to trade. What is so dangerous? If you went short today, what is so dangerous about that? I want to know. Unless you bottom ticked it like I did. I believe that we're just going to be bear flagging here and then we're going to go lower. If we reclaim 410, then I'm going to be confused. Because that's why I cut it, because it broke the support. And I'm thinking that it's time to... There's really no support. I mean, maybe on the longer time frame. There's that gap here, but maybe that's what we close. I don't know if that's... I don't know if that's what it is, but there's really nothing. I usually have good Fridays. All I had to do is hit flatten and I would have been fine. That little decision, all I had to do is copy trade my opening trade and I would have been fine. It's my fault. There's nothing about the market I don't like today. It's all my fault. Taking blame and saying the market is dangerous or doing this or doing that is... You just... finding excuses. I'm not gonna find an excuse. I sucked today. I did not press the button right there when I should have, and I would have changed the whole entire day. When I saw there was a lot of weakness, I saw everything here. And this yanked so fast. I mean, look at this candle. I mean, that's a 150-point candle. I mean, ES was at the highs of the day right here. Okay, if we reclaim this, it's gonna be pretty bad. Then we could have a reversal, which would confuse even more people. Okay, that's a 420 ad. Wow. See, I would have been fine if I didn't use a stop loss. So maybe I just won't. Maybe I just won't use a stop loss because I would have been fine. Would have been totally fine right there. We would have been getting out for profit now. That's how beautiful micros are. You could go through a lot of drawdown. Yeah, it happens. It's whatever. I'm just upset about TPT, nothing else. Because TPT is my dream to make money with TPT, and I just can't do it right now. It's so difficult. Look at this bounce. Oof. I'm using MNQ. NQ I would have been blown a long time ago. I am about to blow though, I think. $300 away from drawdown. And when I blow this account, all the other accounts will liquidate as well, because this is the leader account. What a bounce, guys. Look how strong it looks all of a sudden. Should have. Poor decisions, Sid. Poor decisions. Once I saw this holding, I should have just re-entered long. Why didn't I just re-enter long here? Decisions, man. See, really thought I got fooled. I'm just hoping that we yanked, because like we did here. Really hope that we yanked this back to the lows. But no, it's so strong now. How does it become so strong? Damn, this looks so weak. I'm just laughing because this looks so weak. I finally gave in. Maybe the news, yeah, maybe some news with the home sales played a role, but I mean, this looked like it was about to be the end of the world with NQ. Hit that like button, guys. We will do a giveaway as soon as we hit 100 likes. Hopefully it does make new lows before we blow. But you see how I'm struggling to make even $10 on this trade? I have not been up a single dollar on this trade. That's how you know, like, you're way off. Mentally, you're just trading poorly now. I mean, if we made new lows right now, we would make half the loss back. Or roughly. I'm down 470. More than that. We would make... I'll cover this one there. So strong. If I was trading safe right now, I'm buying the dip at 380. Like if I was playing smart and not frustrated. All right, that's it for these accounts. I don't know. I guess it might be it for the day, because I'm not gonna be able to trade mentally on micros. It's gonna be Unless I trade the 25k Lucid maybe. Come on, still giving me hope here. Hey, Raider, I'd rather be lucky and not trade properly but make money than trade properly, use stops, and not make money. Come on. Just tank it to the lows. Give us some hope. Oh, ES made new highs. How great. Just noticed. ES literally made new highs. Maybe I gotta scalp ES too. Is it possible? I just don't know what levels I would play. ES range is so much smaller though. Maybe they dumped for you to get out. Yeah, I would need the lows. If we could get the lows, then we would make back a lot of the loss, and then we could refocus and take a few minute break. And see which way we want to go. Because if I'm down like 200 bucks, then it's not bad. It needs to go. ES is holding. Come on, ES, tank it. Hope you are right, scalper. Hope you are right. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna take that one off. I'm not gonna be greedy for $5. We could bounce here, and then we could add that ad back at like 420. I'm just afraid that we're gonna range now here, and then it's gonna screw me up. If we crack, we have a chance. Let's see if you guys are right. Or is it gonna be a double bottom? Come on, dump it. Ah, no dump. It might range in this area. It might range between 320 and 420. That's the thing. The longer time frames have a ton of room. That's why I stopped out. I stopped out right here of my on my long. So I don't know how many contracts I had. 4, I think. Yeah, it could have been green. Come on, just break that low again. Break the 300s. Give me some like room to breathe. But see, I'm up a lot. Like I should take some off. I'm going against my scalping mentality right now. I want to add a 380. No, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna add it. Actually, I don't know, because if it gets to 420, it might be game over. If we pull back here, I'll get in and then put a stop at that high of 380. No, it keeps going. Raider, I was hoping for a candle like this. Once we broke the lows, I was really hoping to see a meltdown. But I guess not. Guess they're not letting it go down yet. Crazy. Oh, I got myself into so much trouble for no reason. Yes, high again. Like a $58 trade here. If I get this. If I get this, I guess not. That is so unfortunate. Come on. Why are you not gonna give that to me, huh? There we go. Now dump it. Gotta keep making lower highs here. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Make like a wedge and then collapse. Might take hours though. I thought it was gonna collapse all day, but now I'm thinking it might have a chance to go back up. The shorts are panicking now, and I don't know what to do. Do they cover? So hopefully we are on the right side of things, but I don't know. Give me like a big yank. Not that way. Yeah, it's the Aston. Len, good morning. Hope you are having a better morning as a trader than I am. I am absolutely getting smoked. Come on. Go to the lows. I traded 1 or 2 accounts on micros for how long now? Maybe 10 days in a row. Green every single day. First time I'm trading 4 accounts, and look what happens. It's undescribable. You can't describe it, but it's the reality of trading. When there's pressure, things just change. I've been trading my... So let me see my... Let me show you my Tradeify. So I've been trading the micros mainly on the Tradeify account. And let me show you guys the results. I don't know how many days it's been, but... But this has been like the trading. So more than 10 days. This is all micros. This I got lucky with the big dump when I was in the micros. But pretty crazy. And all of a sudden I copy trade more accounts and I just lose that day. The day I switch up to more accounts, I lose. Not over yet. We just need a dump, but right now it's looking bullish. If you ask me, this is looking bullish. So I hope I'm wrong, because I've been wrong with my thesis today. I do evals. Direct accounts are too expensive. I'd rather reset pro accounts from Take Profit Trader. If I was gonna pay like $500 or whatever for an account, I'd rather just. But if I trade micros and I get better at it, well, I've been doing pretty well. If I just get a little bit better at it, come on, then I don't mind the 25Ks from every prop firm, basically. Come on, we're not down that much. Come on. We could get through these lows. Cover one at 280. Maybe I just gotta trust his range, that it's not gonna break, and just play the range. Cover 320s, reshort 420s. You know, it's a 100-point range. It's like, that's a lot. And just leave one on the table, just in case it does tank. Come on. Just yank it so I can't even think about it. Down 220. Not the end of the world. Yep, I'm covering. Because if it bounces, I'm going to be pissed. I'd rather have... I'm still going to have one, so we're just going to hold one. What? How we get missed? And they say you don't need luck in trading. You need so much luck in trading. Everything needs to just be perfect. See, like now I'm in this situation. If this hits me, it's gonna break. If this actually hits my order, it's gonna just break. Watch. But I'd rather just cover and play it smart. Now I'll be very glad to reshort up here if it goes up. If it doesn't go up, I'll be glad to cover this, you know? So it's like, it's almost like a win-win, how I would trade it if I was not in drawdown. Go. Yeah, I don't even want to look at my portfolio anymore. Monday, I got to buy some more. Supposed to get my dividend payment today. Let's see if I got it. I'm gonna have to look at my portfolio. Oh God, I'm down like 7 grand this week. More than that. $220 will be my cover. I mean, it's looking very weak. Like right now, like this wedge and it's just everything's looking weak. But I tell you this much: when you're in a trade like this, day goes by so fast. Like it's almost 11 o'clock already. Sometimes I'm sitting here, it's like, wow, it's only 10. Oh wow, it's only 10:30. Now I'm not even looking at the clock, and time is flying. And we just got to salvage, so we don't need a green day. We just need a salvageable day, which already is kind of like that. But if we get down to 220, we'll be good. Then we could refocus and... Or ideally, we go back up to 420 and then we tank again. That would be the same thing as going to 220 right now. 100 points. Like the distance from here to here is the same as the distance here to here. So you could ask yourself a question. What's easier right now? Is it easier for me to hold this one contract to here? Or would it be easier to cover right now, reshort, and then cover back down here? That would be the same. Does that make sense? Still 100 points. I just don't know what's holding this level. Like there's really nothing that I could find. Like this was a straight up move here. See if we could collapse here. The whole number. I don't know. It's not like a whole number. 300. Like the 300s, 400s don't really do much. All right, let's see. Can we crack finally? Go. We're still not going to be even green once I get out, but at least we'll manage the loss. But still got to go 60 points lower. But the P&L difference between my Tradeify and my Take Profit Trader accounts, pretty wild. Well, we're gonna... The hell is this spam? Bella, how we doing? How was the TBM with Ocala today? Gotta watch that. Anyone watch that? Going. Don't want to look at it. No one say anything. Let's not talk about it. Desiree, go with 1 micro. Trust me. 1 micro, take your $50, $100 trades, and you're gonna realize it adds up. I should be green. I just freaking forgot to copy trade again today. I should be green except on the 2 accounts. I added the Bullnox account because I needed the trading days. And I was up $200 overnight on Take Profit and Tradeify. How far are we from payout on Tradeify on the... I just looked and I forgot to check. Forgot to check how far I am from a payout. Sometimes I like to not even check. If you check mentally... Okay, I need 2 more days. So today, hopefully, and then Monday. Oh, Monday. Monday, I'm going to trade from my phone. Desiree, with this kind of volatility, minis are... I would have blown. I almost blew with micros. It's a 25K account, but still. I only had 4 micros. And all I had to do is get out right there. I was up more. I was up 260 on the day. Now that I think about it. Almost 270. So that's a bummer. All this work just to get back to break even on the day. Monday starts the stock futures. Are prop firms going to allow that? If prop firms allow it and there's volume, yeah, I'll do it. It's not gonna be that much different because I'm only gonna trade tech stocks. But there's gotta be like good movement and everything. If it's like trading like ES, then I don't want it. Stock futures are basically like stocks are gonna have futures as well. So you could trade Apple through futures. I did a good job. I should have gone out right there. I said anything over 500, I'm clicking the button, and I just hesitated a little bit. And that was the most unfortunate candle that could have happened. Yeah, it's gonna be just main stocks, maybe like Apple, Google. It's not gonna be all the stocks. But I don't know if prop firms are gonna implement it right away. Might be like a new thing for prop firms. But there needs to be liquidity and volume, otherwise it's not gonna be good. No, it's not gonna be that volatile because the stocks, it's gonna go with the stocks. So it's not gonna be, the volatility can't be that high. It would make no sense. Unless it's like one day or something, but yeah, like earnings would be cleaner. Like on NQ, we had what was it? Amazon. No, it was Tesla and Google. Yeah, it was Tesla and Google. They both had opposite earnings. So one went up, one went down. So NQ really like just chopped. Come on. I mean, how hard is it to move 100 points down? I'm on 380 short. Hopefully 320 plays like a little resistance here, but I doubt it. Is Ocala still on?
buy something that I just got stopped out on, even if it's technically the right trade, which it was in this case. Very much the right trade. And it's just a moonshot. 80 points straight up, 90 points.
Oof, yeah.
Jeez.
Someone said this in my chat, an older gentleman in my chat the other day. He missed a trade just barely. Yep. And he said he was in the right book on the wrong page. And I was like, damn, it's a good analogy.
Yeah, I like that too. Yeah, it's a good problem, right? Like, if you miss a trade and it does what it wants to do, like, or does what you wanted it to do, that's a good thing. But it's just annoying, like, at the end of the day. I mean, we're sitting.
I mean, you had
100 points off the lows.
You had it. What was your entry? 70, 73?
Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
I could pull it up. I'll pull it up on my stream.
70. Just barely, man. Just barely.
70, and I got stopped out at 62. I just need to give it a little.
When I talk them, they will lower the volume. But basically, I'm gonna set it up that way.
I think that specific trade, Matt, was.
What's up, Alpine?
Sorry. Was definitely valid to give just because it was at the lows. But if you were wrong, I mean, it could have also just nuked like 40 points. So.
Right. Well, that's the kicker, right? It's like, okay, it's all hindsight, but like, yeah, I had it too tight. How much do I give it, right? Do I give it 25? Do I give it 15? If I give it 25, like that could have been an instant 25-point stop out, right? Agreed. Instead of an instant 8-point stop out. I'd rather have the instant 8-point stop out and live to fight another day and trade some more than take a 25-pointer and just like take it to the face, right?
Not me.
Agreed.
Not the most fun. Alpine, how you doing, bro?
Oh, what's up, Alpine? What's up, dude? That's my boy.
All right, in order of Alpine coming in here, who will get on the stream at some point, chat, if he wants to.
Oh yeah.
We got a last giveaway of the stream. Type Alpine into the chat for a Take Profit Trader 50K account. This will not be code based like the last ones. This one is they don't have codes.
Oh, go.
So
Everyone go in Matt's stream.
Grab the live stream chat code, paste it to verify that it's you. Then you type in your Take Profit Trader account email into the field. If you don't have one, there will be a link to create one, but you need to type in the email associated with your Take Profit Trader account. Again, if you don't have one, you can make one, no biggie. The only thing required in the 2-minute timer is that you confirm that you are the winner by pasting the code in the live stream chat when you go to app.tbm.gg/claim. A Take Profit Trader 50K account, getting you stacked up in all the right ways.
That's pretty good. Not here, guys. In Matt's chat.
I think 238 sounds like a good number here. No stop outs today, chat. Not a bad problem. GG's at Aaron Ronch P4M. Enjoy your 50K Take Profit Trader account if you can verify it in the next minute and 40 seconds. Bro, Alpine with a 20 gift. Appreciate you, dog. Thank you. Chad, if you got gifted a membership from Alpine, drop a GG. The giveaway is done. Yeah, that's a Freudian slip. The giveaway is done, you two heads in the chat. Typing the code doesn't do anything anymore. Stop it.
That was cool. That was cool of Matt.
All right, GG's, Aaron.
All right, can we survive this? Come on.
I'd be down for a retrade of IBL, to be honest. To the downside, get long off of it at 300. 320 keeps playing also.
Oh, God.
More concerning on that trade, but we'll see how this candle opens.
This is not looking the best.
I like that idea. 22 to 30 or 22 to 48.
We'll do a TPT giveaway. Don't worry.
V bottom maybe. I don't know. Have to wait and see.
Yeah, could be.
Seriously low IQs, says David. Dude.
Okay, re-added.
David won a giveaway like 2 days ago. Ocala, the David that we both know, and I didn't recognize his YouTube handle name, and so it pops up as Trader Cho, and a lot of people like have just sucked at like verifying the code in the chat, and like they take too long, and then I have to redraw and all this thing. So I just started laying into Trader Cho of like, don't be low IQ, you two head, like you don't even have a forehead, like small brain, you know, whatever. And then he texts me and he's like, bro, it's me. After I just laid in for 30 seconds or a minute.
Just got on him. Poor guy. That's hilarious, dude. Yeah, at this point I'm kind of
Dunzo,
man.
Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. I think mid-morning for me, like I'm about to be done with the stream here. We got Liam coming on next chat, and then Danny for power hour after that.
Damn, I'm gonna be screwed on this bounce.
And then Sunday night we have Jaws at 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Rhea trading Asia from 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. Jamie London 5 a.m. to 8:30.
Wow.
You can go to tbm.gg/live-streams, or just go to tbm.gg and click the live stream.
Oh, GG's.
All that to be said. For me, mid-morning, power hour. I don't trade Friday power hour. So you were asking about that. That is like a hard stop for me. Mid-morning.
GG's.
I'm curious.
Looks so weak.
It feels good up there. I'm also curious just 440s, right? Like we've already rejected it. It's really like kind of top of the range right now is 440s. Maybe we pop through 440, we sweep the overnight lows, and we come back down into the range, in which case I'd be down to get short. But I'm treating it as an inside day as of right now because we, you know, failed to really break through IVL, and
they're about to be done.
So I'm going to trade it as an inside day. If we go up into the highs of the day, I'll look for a retrade back, and potentially, and until then, trade the range. But I'm not going to force anything. It's Friday. I want to make some work on these evals or just get funded today. That would be great. But I need a really clean. I need some clean trades. I'm not seeing them right now. So,
right.
We'll see.
Can this be the top of the range?
Oh, Nutty Bar. What's up, bro?
What's up, Nutty?
We had Alpine and Nutty. Nutty, you're coming on the stream at some point too. Get ready. Chat's I gotta give chat like a 4-week heads up for that one, but you're coming on the stream.
Those are my boys, man. What dude, we had so much fun in where was it? Miami?
Yeah.
Oh man, those guys are the best.
Dude, Miami was the best thing that has happened to me. Like the trading conference, meeting everybody in real life was very good for me. Like you just take like everybody's got like screen personalities or whatever, but it's so fun to just like
damn it, chat. We were wrong.
All right, dude. I'm just gonna call it here. We're pumping to. I mean, this is a 100-point candle, chat. 100.5.
Oh, what a Friday. What an absolute disaster. Stick to what works. Stick to what works. Stick to what works. Oh, and stops are not it. What a terrible flip bias. And I stopped scalping. Oh, man. I stopped scalping. Should have just scalped. Last chance here, top of the range. We might reverse all the way back. Fortunately. It would have been great if I just stuck to my long bias strategy, but got scared today. Thought we were gonna just melt all day and flip short. Don't think we're gonna survive this. We would need a miracle pullback now to back to 320. That would get us basically out of the trade. So the Bullnox accounts are going to be basically like an ORB loss. While the TPT is going to be gone. No, I didn't move my stop loss. I covered so I could re-add. I was thinking this range would stick around for a little bit and we would, you know, get back down at least a couple more times. Bummer. Not the way I wanted to end my week. I was feeling really good about micros. I still do. It's just you got to be quick. You got to be quick with your trades. Not gonna lie, if I wanted trades by Matt, I'll be there, not here. Well, I wanted to hear what Okala was saying. I was there for Okala. He doesn't stream a lot. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Still alive. Still got $700 in drawdown. I mean, it's not this trade that's really the problem. It's the previous one. It's the initial long that's the problem. That 480, damn, 480 was nice. Actually, I heard that, Marco, but I never knew that. I only heard about it afterwards. I don't know if he still does. Magical 20s. Cool. When I go on the stream, I'm going to talk about that. So the magical 20s here, I'm going to go long. Come on, just one more pullback. to 320 and I'm out. Yeah, he uses like wick tests and stuff. I know that. I cover this at 380 and just play it smart. We might be fighting here all day, but gotta be smart. Pretend like we're not in a drawdown. That's what I'm trying to. It's hard, but I mean, that's a 40-point scalp there if I get it right. So there we go. I'm not out. I only covered one. So did Matt see what PW was doing when the guests and decided to try it? Matt's doing like a 24-hour stream, I think. He like changed everything. Guess he's trying some new things. I mean, the guests are not something that's new. I mean, there's other streams that have guests on all the time. Patrick does it differently because he does it in person. That's pretty cool. Stats for July, like 3,300 in payouts. Not good. But when you're fighting on the wrong side of the market, it is so difficult to make money. And I feel like I've been on the wrong side both times. When I was long, it was dumping, and now I'm shorting. It's going up. But I think the biggest struggle right now is the fact that I'm down a lot, and I'm trying to make back a lot of it. Because I was up a lot on this short. Like obviously I was up a lot more than I would usually be on micros. I might move my order to cover at 320 instead. I'm calm. Yeah, that's how I am kind of in life. I'm low key. Oh. So I don't know how I became a DJ, to be honest. I have a haircut appointment too. I gotta get to. I got mad a couple of times recently too. Yep, this pump is gonna be the final nail in the coffin. It's a long day now. It's crazy how it flipped. Hopefully it flips again. No, I missed that ad. No. No way. Would have covered now. Would have covered for another like $100. Damn it. Damn, look how the rejection. But ES is absolutely ripping it right now. Which makes this very scary. How is ES so bullish? Is it because like is there like a tech stock that's really bad today? Tesla. Tesla's down 3%. Apple's ripping 3%. What happened to Apple today? Holy shit. If not Apple, Apple might have saved NQ. I feel like Apple saved NQ. Everyone's got their things about their stream. You want to be unique, so. And different people prefer different things. It's just like music. Everyone has different taste in music. Damn, I wish I got that 480 ad earlier. Would have been maybe. I mean, it's not gonna really matter in long term, but. Oh. Thank you, and TPT for couple of days of nice work, and let's stick to the plan. Let's just stick to the plan, guys. It would have worked just fine. We made a mistake. We fell under pressure. We cut the loss at the worst time. We flipped the bias at the worst time. Everything got turned off. We gotta stick to the plan. Micros are traded for a reason. So I could use wide stops like I used to. Perfect example. This is gonna be what I'm gonna save for people that you don't use stops, you don't do this, you don't do that. This is gonna be the chart I'm gonna show them. Bull Knox is gonna be down 1500, and we should be stopped out here any second now. I'm gonna do a giveaway and I'm gonna call it a day because I'm not gonna trade anymore anyway. So we're gonna do like very quick giveaway today. See how many people enter at the right time. So we're gonna do like yeah, Miss K is missing today, actually. Maybe she's busy. Yeah, we're just gonna do the old way. It's gonna be the fastest. I can't believe I cut the loss at the bottom, guys. Right here. But that's not even, it's really this, you know, like holding this was bad. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a giveaway for, what do you guys want? TPT? You want TPT, Lucid, Apex? All right, whoever wins will get to choose. How about that? Except TPT you will not get today. Most likely. Well, you might get it by end of today, but you might not be able to trade it till Monday, technically. Well, what a rejection. Maybe we'll still save it, guys. Maybe now we go to the lows of the day. I have so many lines, I can't even... This line is irrelevant now. Do a flip 180 candle. all I had to do is stick to the plan and it would have worked fine. I am actually very happy with that. I didn't stick to the plan and I lost. So that's all I had to do is stick to the long. Eventually it's not going to work. But 80% of the time it will work. Look how strong the market became out of nowhere. You just never know. That's why shorting is so stupid for me. Like, I can't short. This is another example. Why do you always go long? Well, now you see. Because when the market drops, it tends to bounce. I do my best when the market bounces off lows. But today I just entered too early. I didn't get out. And I guess I added too fast. I don't know. Did I have 2 contracts or only 1 here? I gotta check. What's it? Yeah, this is at the high of the open. That's crazy. I only had 1 contract there. What am I thinking, dude? Look right here, right here. I said anything over 500, I'm out, right? And look, I moved my order down instead of hitting the flat thing. And it missed me. And this was the deciding factor on the day. Look how close. And look how fast it's going to dump. Oh, I didn't take it off. I need to just press the buttons, guys. I can't be looking at a couple dollars here and there. I just got to press the button. Still had a chance again. Just got to hit the flatten button and call it, you know. Right there. How did that not hit me? And boom. Watch this. I mean, I'm literally gonna risk this going back down for $2. Actually, it wasn't that fast. It felt faster, but I think here it speeds up. I fucked up. Fuck. That was my fault. Wasn't quick enough to exit. And ES is all the way back down. Oh, we're go. Oh, this is a crash, market crash coming in, boys. Yeah, that screwed me. What are you gonna do? Well, I probably would have flipped short after that, and then probably would have lost anyway. Gotta stick to longs. Kind of what we do best. All right. 40 seconds till giveaway, guys. 40 seconds. Let's do it. Those who didn't pay attention will not get it. $11.25. 20 seconds. This is to avoid the bots, guys. This is to avoid the bots. Yeah, hit that like button, guys. All right, let's see. You get a choice between Apex, between Lucid, and TPT. It's your decision. Bota. Mr. Bottas. The Formula One driver. I'm assuming that's what the 5 is for. Now, what kind of account would you like? TPT will cost you more if you win the giveaway rather than if you buy your own with code Alpine for what it's worth. Lies. TPT is a completely free account. You get the activation code as well when you win. Yes, you did. Go to your credits and you're gonna see it. You probably just activated the same night. But the good thing, well, actually, it doesn't matter. It's always gonna be activation included. Yeah, there's an activation credit that comes later that night. Yes, you're gonna email me. Do you want, which account do you want? Or just email me and tell me what account you want. Which account do you want? Or just email me and tell me what account you want. You know what else is rigged? This market. Because all I had to do is stick to my longs, and people say you don't use stop losses, so I stopped out. And I lost. We would have been fine, chat. Look how beautiful the market is. V-shape reversal. Unbelievable. I'm just kidding about you guys. Okay, I'm just mad about myself. How I stopped out right there and not. I don't know what I was thinking. It's all right. Last time. That's why I would trade better not watching the market. That's why I do so well overnight. You don't worry about jumping in early or jumping out early or whatever. The credit for the free eval comes, but the pro costs more than $100 initial. Wait, what? Okay, let's start from scratch. When you win a evaluation from this stream or any other stream on Take Profit Trader, the account from start to finish will cost you $0. There's not a single dollar you got to pay to get the funded account. The only giveaways right now that we currently are having is Apex that you have to pay an activation fee. Lucid also includes the activation fee. The only one that does not include activation fee is Apex. Did I get a Bullnox payout? No. I talked about it on Wednesday. I'm going to try again today. I'm going to request it again today, but we'll see what happens. I confused you even more. Oh my gosh. Sorry. You don't pay anything except on Apex. Lucid, you don't pay. To Take Profit Trader, you don't pay. Every giveaway is completely free from start to finish, except for Apex. Is that better? Let me know. Should be. Yes, Peter, you activated the same night you got the email that it was ready to be activated. That was your mistake. Just so you know, you have to wait till the next day. If you go to your credits, you're going to see your credit in there right now, because that means you didn't use it. It's going to say you have an activation credit. In the past, oh yes, Peter, I don't know how long ago you won. This is still like, not that new. I mean, I would say they changed the activation thing like at least 6 months ago. Yeah, a month ago, definitely they had activation already included. Yep, this reversal is amazing, and I am screwed. I'm holding short. Gotta fix this though, because I was green. I was very green on this trade, and I decided to hold. I was very green, like down here. Don't know exactly how much I was up, but I was up a lot. We could check. Nope, that's not the right one. So I was down $69. I mean, yeah, I was up quite a lot. All I had to do is fill me there. We're out of the trade and everything. It's just like those little tweaks. But we'll have new accounts next week, so it's fine. One day of work. I only started the Take Profit Trader account yesterday. But I think I need a bigger account. I don't know, because I'm gonna get, you can only have 10 Take Profit Trader accounts in a month. So I think with the 25Ks, it's gonna be very hard. Has a girl ever asked me out? Yeah, a few. Or they make it so obvious. But usually those are the ones I'm not interested in, so. Funny, the wedding I'm doing this weekend, when she was single, she was hitting on me. Pretty funny. No, I wasn't interested. Now, Alpine's happier single. I don't have to ask anyone if I could buy Aston Martin on Monday. This is absolutely heartbreaking. Because I didn't copy trade again. ORB wins. I didn't copy trade. Like how many times am I gonna do that? And then I added the Bull Knox accounts. Figured I'll make, you know, a couple $100 with micros today. And I would have, but we cut it at the worst time. So let's see. I want to go back and see how much I was down. Gotta analyze this. I mean, no day is gonna be exactly the same, but okay, so I lost 476. I lost 689 technically. Yeah, 4 contracts. So 689, I lost four contracts. So this bounce, we would have made back the losses. That's $800, and I lost 6 something. Okay, so I just got to stick to the plan. Just stay small. I should have never added 2 contracts here. I should have just added 1. Little things like that, but all right, this is gonna be it. Come on, sell me out already so I could go. Now this is reversing all the way back. This is going back to the highs of the day. It should stop me out of all the accounts, I'm hoping. Tradeify is going to be a $1,200 daily loss limit, so that's going to be... And then it's going to be $1,500 loss here on Bull Knox. Beautiful reversal. This is the most perfect market conditions I could ask for. It's just I got into that pressure because of the longer time frame. Okay, the longer time frame confused me. If this was an any other day without this big support level being broken, I would have stuck to the long. But that psychological support break, I really thought that we had so much room to the downside that I need to get out, and that is just peer pressure from the market. Basically, it's the same thing. I should have never listened to it. And I am just gonna stick to what works best for me, which is longs only, small size. Eventually market will bounce 80% out of time. Apple is helping the market for sure. %, almost. I'm up 63% on Apple. It's absolutely insane. I can make so much money return on a blue chip. I'm actually up on the Robinhood today somehow. Yeah, I feel like I'm not gonna use higher time frame anymore. I'm just gonna stick to my basic 200-second and then maybe an hourly chart. It just proved to me today that longer time frame does not matter. Okay, it does not matter. It could go both ways. It's still just as much of a guess as any other day. People want to say and sound smart that longer time frames work, but they work when they want to. Today it didn't work. I'm just gonna stick to it. I feel like it's gonna work long term. It's just we need like a safety net stop, max loss limit per day. I think that's what I'm gonna need. And the biggest thing is when I lose, we have to accept the loss and not try to make it back in one trade. I think that's gonna be the hardest part about these micros. That comes down to discipline. Because I made $800 yesterday trading micros, trading for $50 to $100 per trade, right? Here I am up almost $400 and I didn't take it off. So you think to yourself, like, if I'm up $400 and I didn't take it off, why not? Like, why am I holding something then? Holding something that I'm not supposed to. Like, my plan is not to hold long term. I mean, hopefully it's still, I mean, I'm still in. There's still a chance that it goes back. I don't need it to go back that far. I just need it to go down to 380s. 380s and maybe 320. So back to the lows. And then we would be actually green on the day, probably. I'm down $800 right now. We have 3 contracts. $360s would get us back to green. Don't worry, Alpha. My cat said there's a 40% chance we go back to 480. Oh, 480 is not gonna help me. All right, guys. I gotta go though, cause I got a haircut appointment at 1 o'clock, and by the time I leave, and then I want to stop for a protein shake. I try squeeze in another 9 holes of golf today. I don't know if I will, but hopefully this comes down. That'll be a very nice surprise. It's 200 points. That's not gonna drop that much. It's gonna just be choppy now. That's very nice, Miss K. Look at you. I don't know what that means, but that is above my pay grade to set up commands. All right, go down, go down, go down. I'm gonna wait till 11:50 and I'm ending. Let's play Alpine exit song. And I really hate DJing nowadays for the only reason it kind of ruins my apparently I always get lucky. One tick Rob is come say it here. I fucking love people. I love people. Yeah, I always get lucky. That's why I have almost $1 million in payouts. It's all luck. I just texted Tim. I told Tim to tell Tick Rob to go suck a eggplant because I love it. People are always hating. I don't have any advice for you, my friend, because I'm losing too. Stick to your plan. That's the only thing you could do. Don't change your plan midday or mid-trade or whatever. Just stick to your plan. When you do the right things, the market will reward you. When you do the wrong things, market will punish you. All right, guys. It's 11:50. I gotta go. I'm not even gonna. Probably gonna take me. I might just get in time for the haircut. So I gotta go. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. And I'll have a recap video at some point this weekend as well. Hopefully today. I get back from the haircut, probably will make a recap. They've been doing pretty well, so gotta keep them going. Yep, maybe I'll go live once I get the car or decide to not get it. We'll see. But hopefully the car is good and everything works out because I will be excited. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Because I'm flying in Monday morning. I won't be doing the ORB on Monday, actually. There was no flights that I could do it. So I have to fly out at 9 a.m. Get there at like 12:30 and I'm flying back at 7:30. So I have 7 hours. From landing to departure, I have 7 hours. So it's going to be a quick trip. I'll see you guys Tuesday. Bye-bye.